Drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles have become a part of our modern world. They deliver packages, help farmers, and even capture stunning aerial footage. But did you know that drones have also been fascinating us on the big screen for decades? For years, drones were the stuff of science fiction, appearing in movies as futuristic gadgets and powerful weapons. These early portrayals sparked our imagination and made us wonder about the possibilities of unmanned flight. Over time, what was once science fiction slowly became a reality. Drones transitioned from fictional tools to actual tools used in filmmaking. This opened up a whole new world of cinematic possibilities. One of the earliest examples of drones in cinema can be traced back to the 1960s. The iconic film 2001, A Space Odyssey, featured a sleek, unmanned spacecraft resembling a drone. This portrayal hinted at a future where machines could navigate and explore space autonomously. Another classic film that showcased drones was Blade Runner, released in 1982. The movie depicted a dystopian future patrolled by ominous flying surveillance devices. These drones represented the potential for technology to be used for both good and bad. These early appearances, while imaginative, were still rooted in the realm of fiction. The technology to create such advanced drones was not yet available. However, these films planted the seeds for what was to come. As technology advanced, drones transitioned from fictional gadgets to real-life tools in the filmmaker's arsenal. The development of smaller, more affordable drones equipped with high-quality cameras revolutionized how movies were made. Suddenly, filmmakers could capture breathtaking aerial shots that were previously impossible or incredibly expensive to achieve. Sweeping landscapes, dizzying heights, and intricate action sequences could be filmed with a new level of precision and artistry. This shift from fiction to reality marked a turning point in cinematic history. Drones were no longer just props or special effects. They were essential tools that expanded the creative possibilities of filmmaking. Today, drone technology is used extensively in various film genres. From big-budget action flicks to intimate independent dramas, drones offer filmmakers a fresh perspective and a cost-effective way to capture stunning visuals. Movies like Skyfall, The Revenant, and Avengers: Age of Ultron have utilized drone technology to film incredible action sequences and expansive landscapes. The use of drones allowed for dynamic camera movements and breathtaking shots that immersed audiences in the action. The impact of drones on filmmaking cannot be overstated. They have democratized aerial cinematography, making it accessible to productions of all sizes. This has led to a surge in creativity and a new era of cinematic storytelling.